Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving to the world of the Hunger Games to explore the symbolism that make this series so rich and provoking. The Mockingjay pin is one of the most iconic symbols in the series. Given to Katniss by Mudge, it represents not only Katniss' connection to her district, but also her role as a symbol of resistance against the oppressive capital. The Hunger Games arena itself serves as a potent symbol of the capital oppression. The arena ever-changing landscape and deadly trap represent the capital's control over the tributes and their fate. Of course, the Mockingjay pin in the arena are just two examples of the many symbols that appear throughout the series. From the three-finger salute to use of fire and flames. Collins' use of symbol adds depth and complexity to the narrative. That's it for today's video on the symbolism in Hunger Games. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the series. Let me know in the comments below that some of your favorite symbol of motifs from the series are. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy our video today. And don't forget to subscribe and press the button like and the bell for more video like this. See you on my next video channel. Bye bye!